Hello. There's a good news. There's a good news. If you are a qualified carer or caregiver or healthcare assistant, or if you are a qualified nursing assistant, because nursing assistance is different from healthcare assistant. Nursing assistance is more more experienced than healthcare assistant. Then if you are a nurse, there's a country that is calling all of you to come in and work for them. And again, if you are interested in moving to Europe before Christmas, or getting a visa sponsorship as a caregiver, job seeker in Europe, and you want to enjoy your Christmas in Europe, stay with me and I will be right back to tell you all the things you need, because this country is massively recruiting. Better say age limit from 18 years to 48 years. Then you have to you must have a certification. If you are a healthcare assistant, you must have certification and have 3 years experience, or some companies I saw is asking for 6 months, some are asking for 5 years, some are asking for 2 years, some are asking for 3 years. So this is not like a universal year of experience or months of experience. So whatever your experience is so far is not below 6 months, this country wants you. And again, please, 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 they said you must be available to work a full-time, and this is not a job you come, you said you want to do part-time. You must be available to work full-time. It does nothing like part-time, and there's nothing like that you don't want to work long days. They said you must be flexible. This is what the visa immigration said, because these jobs are in red lights in their country, and they want to recruit people that are healthy, fit, and ready to work full-time, not flexibility. There's no much flexible that you want to work part-time. No, because you are coming as a full-time caregiver in this country. So if you are a caregiver, qualified or unqualified, but you've got experience and you can prove and you can attend interview and pass your interview, stay with me and I will be right back to tell you everything that you need to do and your visa requirements and how to start off your application for jobs. And of course, I will give you recruitment firms where you can get jobs and start preparing for your migration or relocation. So stay with me, I'll be right back. Hello. Being the richest country in Europe, I don't want to argue about or tell you anything about the salary or how much you will be getting. Obviously, if a country is rich, you will know the salary payment will be rich. And again, if a country like this country, there are many benefits: social security, or children benefits, housing benefits, and retirement benefits. When you finish working and you are now tired, they will take care of you. So there are many, and the robust pension plan for caregivers in this country. So now, what are the requirements? The requirement is to prove that you've done this training, you can pass interview. The second one is your valid international passport. The third one is criminal record, because obviously it's a healthcare job, so you must have a clean criminal record. There's no is or little or caution or precaution or cautioning or anything like, it will be clean. That's not. Please, if you're from Nigeria, if police force give you this your criminal report, you have to open it and read it to make sure that it's the right thing that is there. If you've not, I know you people are good citizens and you don't have any criminal record, but make sure, please. Then, if you're from any African country, I don't know where you will get your criminal report. Please, can you ask other people, or you ask in the comment section? Maybe somebody from your country will give it to you. Then your medical insurance and all that, and then your flights and bookings and all that. Done. When you have gotten all these things, then the next thing is to obviously seek for job. Yeah, you need to look for job. So number one place to look for job in this country is jobs.lo. So this is the country's, website for jobs. Any job in healthcare industry, you can get it from this place. Then the second place is Greenfield Recruitment. This recruitment firm, they are diverse, and again, they are very, very innovative, because there are many recruitment firms even in this Europe that they are not like innovative to speed up your application, make sure that they have the Zoom interview. There are many recruitment firms that are still lagging behind. So this Greenfield Recruitment Agency is a very good one. And the next one is LHH Luxembourg. It's quite good, and this agency is diverse as well. So even if you are a nurse, you can still get some jobs. Then the final one, and the thing you think, maybe you will say, because you're English, you speak English, and this country is, close to France, close to Germany, and they're not speaking English. English is not their first language, but English, if you're speaking English, you are allowed to apply. English is 75% of people in that country speak English, but English is not the first language. I want to make you aware of that. Everybody knows that Luxembourg is close to Germany and close to France, and again, they have a language. I think they speak Dutch or something. I don't know. When I went to their country, I was speaking English to everybody, and they understand. But just to make you aware that English is not the first language. So now the second thing you might ask again is this: how is the visa sponsorship? Once you get an offer letter, your employer will trigger the Home Office or the Immigration Service that they have given this social person this job, and this person will come to their office to make an application, and this person is this person. They will give all your data to them. So that's everywhere in Europe now. That's a trigger from the employer to the Immigration Service. Like unlike UK government, their Home Office will give visa sponsorship rights to the employer. But this Luxembourg one, the caregiver agency, or the person that owns the job, will tell the Immigration Service that look at this person name, look at his passport photograph, look at his first page database passport, look at this. Then they will have it. Then they will not tell you they will send the what are they calling it? Contract, employment contract or job contract. They will send it to you that, with your offer letter and telling you how much they are going to pay you. And again, they will list your benefits or your pension percentage and all that, this kind of things. Then that thing you have, they sent to you is what you take to your embassy. The Immigration Service where you're going, the country where you're going already have your data. So when you go there, it will match. Then you do your visa interview and all that. Then you start coming to Luxembourg as a caregiver. So these jobs, there are many other agencies. You can see it in the screen. It's not only these three I called, because these three are the ones, they are professional agency. But there are agency that are only for what are they calling it? For employing for healthcare givers job. But what happens in that healthcare givers agency? Because many people are going there, so you will be like struggling to get hold of a job. But these agencies, they are diverse. People don't normally go there, like professional healthcare workers don't normally go there. So the job will be there for you to grab it first. So that is why I call them first. But the list of the healthcare industry or healthcare recruitment firms are on the screen. So, but this one is what everybody will go to. So you will have limited, chances. But when you are looking for a job in these three that are diverse, they have tech, they have management, they have healthcare jobs and all that. So many healthcare professionals don't go to that one. So it's your sense that you go to where many people are not going, so that you see whether you will have chances and the competition will be so small or so manageable for you. So now you have gotten everything that you need. The next thing is to proceed to make you can either choose to make an online application. The Luxembourg Immigration Service website is on this screen. Please look at it on the screen, copy it, type it in your Google search, go to their website, check how much, because normally the e-visa application is normally expensive. Yes, that's what I've just found out. It's normally expensive than the one you're going by yourself. So it's normally expensive. You have to be careful. And this country is a rich country, so their things might be expensive. So, but their website for you to go and get other informations are on the screen. So I wish you luck and success. And this is where I'll be ending this video. And again, please subscribe and share this information with your family members, your parents, your mates, your siblings, and again, share in your social media platform. Please, it will not cost you anything, and I will be glad you can mention us and we'll adopt you as Womiba Finance family member. So this is where I'll be saying bye-bye to you people till I see you in the next video. So bye-bye from me. Bye-bye.